All right, today I'm going to install this receptacle extension or electrical box spacer. It's a 1/2 inch and they come in 1/4 inch, 3/8 or 1/2 inch. In this case I need a 1/2 inch because I have 1/2 inch sheetrock to match. And they're from Amazon and they're about $1.50 a pop. So stick around, check this out. Don't mind that background noise, that's just a washer going. But I took this and traced it, the pen there. Now all I have to do is just cut it out. Rotate this here. This oscillating tool here. He's there. This on a slower speed. Speed 1 here. Clean up a little bit here. Before I acquired this, it was already sheetrock with 1/2 inch. So therefore, that's why I am doing this. You know, then I don't have to take off any sheetrock. Let's see how it fits. I'm gonna dry fit it here before I actually put it in it. That might work. Take your screwdriver here. Take it out carefully. I don't like these flatheads too much. This one's bent. But I'm going to reuse it. These drywalls won't set right. Carefully, I want to touch the copper. Up. I would use a pliers, but I couldn't find one, so this work. All right, there we go. Just gotta bend this back carefully, without breaking wires and everything. A bad deal. Or if these screws are long enough, though, that's the kicker. Guess I'll find out, huh? Or I'll find out, whatever. carpal tunnel because I hold these screws like right in my lips right here. As you see, the jam is recessed in from the sheetrock. However, I ripped some pieces of 1x with the table saw and stained them. So I'm going to install them later to make them flush with the sheetrock, and then I can install casing afterwards. Start this one. Ooh. Alrighty, now I have to do is just put the cover on. There we go. Don't want to tighten them too much and crack these. I've seen it happen before. Alright, it looks pretty good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.